new tidal wave car wash in Alice, Texas coming up. Pretty big. That's like they set up the arches, the dryers, the front gantry, and paste, and the two pay stations. Right now, one of them's working on the maintenance on the pay station right now. And this is another site. This is going to be a gas station over here. I believe it's a 7-Eleven. It's a great connection. Well, yeah, I'm not sure that this is going to get connected to there or what. I don't think so. I probably doubt it's not going to get connected. It's just going to be like next to each other, you know, like two separate, kind of separate, you know. You can exit over here, then you can enter in the other ramp. It's pretty cool. Let's get a little better look at it. Yeah, there's the pay station over there. Yeah, they gotta set it up. Wonder when it's gonna be open. Hopefully when we go back to this place and when it's open, we'll definitely go and try it out. Not sure what system is it. Probably a newer MCWW Motor City Wash Works. Because I see some Motor City Wash Works dryers by the looks of it from the far distance. Over here we got like the fast pass over here too. A little better look at it. This one apparently, this one has the buff and dry too, and this one installed. Kind of like a medium-sized car wash, not too bad. So what you just saw was a brand new car wash is building in this area in Alice, Texas, on East Main Street in the intersection of North Flundering Road. Now, before this gas station and new car wash building, well, of course, it's going to be separate. This used to be an old bank over here. As you can tell, this used to be an old bank. That looks like it's kind of like, it looks like a vintage bank, like it has been being used. You know, I think this must be out of business already. Yeah, this one has like the for sale sign. Oh, luckily not, because there's a tidal wave sign over here. So they demolished this whole thing and building a car wash like in somewhere in this area. And since the area is pretty big, they decided to why not add a 7-Eleven Stripes gas station. Now I knew this bank was going to be closed because I think there is another bank like down there. Yes, there's another bank down there. I mean, it's smaller, but looks like it has better business though. So yeah, because when we visit this place, it's still open and it's still operational. So yeah, it looks like this used to be a Wells Fargo bank. All right, now here is the tour of this place. All right, so let's go ahead and walk through the machine.
And so this is our vac house. This is where all the vacuum motors and stuff
Nice.
go. And one thing Tidal Wave likes to do is put them in these enclosures so when they're running, you don't have all that high-pitched squealing.
Right.
You know? So this really does muffle it and will exhaust it out into the atmosphere. And it really does quiet it down to really help with the noise and vacuum running, you know, full blast.
That's cool.
I'm sure you've already experienced all of this. So
Yeah.
pay station where you basically
Pay, and then if you have like a pass or something, I think that like that computer detects to like raise the gate.
yes. So and then when you pull up, we got deals that already read like your license plate, so it'll know
Right.
you know what kind of subscription you have, what kind of wash
Yes.
your subscriptions are, and then this one will have like a members lane and just a regular customers lane. So if you're members, you can come through and it'll read your stuff and put you on through. So the other one's kind of set up for people on our shore that maybe come to either check us out or you know if they want a different rate or something like that, they can pick a different style of wash. So it kind of helps with traffic there, having the two lanes like that.
Cool.
here's our prep canopy. So there'll be an attendant or two out here.
Yeah.
A bucket of soap, and so they'll get your tailgate, you know, maybe the top of your toolbox and you pick up.
Oh, cool.
Scrub your wheels and tires, so they'll kind of prep it, and then it'll start taking it into your tunnel.
All right. This is the machine right here.
I don't know how deep we'll get into the tunnels. There's a lot of trip hazards and that.
Yeah.
Bit there, but
I think there is good.
pretty much like all the rest of them coming here.
Yeah.
They kind of prep you, give you the instructions, send you on down the tunnel, and then scene one, you've seen most of them through there.
Yeah.
I think you're more interested in some of the back of the house stuff.
All right.
Watch your step. And this is where the magic happens. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff for like reverse osmosis. I think this is the same thing for reverse. I get those mixed up, but
Yeah.
and then these are all the pumps that run a lot of the hydraulics. So most of the stuff in the tunnel is either going to be driven hydraulically or pneumatically. So like when you see those brushes spinning, those are usually on hydraulic motors, which is this is what these are.
Yeah.
And then some of the brushes that tilt up and down to like get your hood, get your roof, those will be
Yes.
pneumatic.
The top brush, yeah.
And then, so these are the chemical tanks that'll pump some either chemicals or reclaimed water in there, and that kind of turns it up, give it an even mixture. And then in here you have two separate tanks, and if I recall correctly, I think some of them are just for regular reclaimed water.
Yeah.
And then we have another set up for reverse osmosis water for like spot-free rinses and stuff like that. This is the chemicals and the trees that all mix the different types of chemicals for tire shines and bubbly soap and this and that.
Cool.
And then they just changed these out, so this is more of a concentrated
Oh.
style of chemical now. Because there's usually like 55-gallon drums in here, and they really block the pathway for any kind of ingress and egress. So I switched over this, which is more of a concentrate, and then they get a larger footprint in here. Obviously, air compressors for the pneumatic system, and then these control with these builds. They have little blowers in them, so you can blow out your cup holder or your vents, kind of get dust and debris out of there. So
Oh,
they have
yeah.
a little wand that has air, and then also has vacuum systems, which you'll see in the back house.
Yeah.
And then this is all for like reclaim. So when you got a dirty car and you just go to get it wet, you don't necessarily need to use nice, clean, spot-free water. So they can use some reclaimed water that's already been used to recycle it. So they can recycle water instead of just pulling everything off of the city. And that's what this does. It picks up some reclaimed water. So you can almost start your washing pre-prep and all that stuff with this, and as you go through the tunnel, your car's clean, and you get all the reverse osmosis water, so it's sort of like you're spot free and all that stuff. And that's basically the gist of it.
Cool.
Not much there. It's just, really all in the computer programming, how they want it, and what sensors tell what, and this and that.
Yeah.
Talking about the reclaim pump, that's what these tanks are, is reclaim, and they're stair stacks of sediment to fall.
Oh.
More like 1,500 gallon tanks in there of water that they can recycle.
Oh, wow.
They didn't use it.
Dang. All right. Well, thank you, sir, for the tour. What's your name?
No problem.
What's your name?
Chaz.
Shaz. Shout out to Shaz for this tour. Those is a Sony system, so that's cool. I think this is like the area where they're gonna put the vacuums and stuff. It's cool that I have this roof built in. Very fancy. Looks like this are more parts for the car machine. Got your sign. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Tidal Wave Auto Spa Car Wash. So I noticed this place is going to be open on August 21st. So whenever we get to like Alice, Texas, for sure we're doing a video over there. And I noticed this is actually a Sony system, not a Motor City Washworks. But it does look similar, though, to a Motor City Washworks and a Sony system dryers, you know. When I went to that Space City car wash, the dryers look very similar to a Sony's. It gets confusing between a Sony's and a Motor City Washworks. But I think I can analyze with the brush systems and stuff. I'm viewing like a lot of car wash videos to understand what type of system they are, and the convention too of the Las Vegas car wash convention, which I wish I can go to there. So hopefully when I go to that convention, I'll definitely go over there and do a video of this place. Anyway, thanks for watching for this tour video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.